Hello guys, welcome to my channel Chiren Diecast. Today I will show you this beautiful Matchbox 2020 Corvette from the Matchbox collector website. I received this one in my mail and I will open it today. It's completely sealed, yeah, and I will share with you this unboxing. Also, I will show you the other three versions that I have of the 2020 Corvette CA. Pretty nice. And let's see how this one look. Let me get something to cut the seal on the side. Hold on a second. I have it here. Here in my background I have other Matchbox moving part pieces. I have here the 2006 Ford Crown Victoria, and this one is the Mitsubishi Lancer Celeste. Pretty nice. I have also the 2018 Land Rover Vogue. Here I have a 2019 Ford Mustang. This one is the 2021 Ford Bronco. And I have the 2000 Nissan Estera. I have other version of this casting, but I feel like I need more light here. Hold on a second. Now I think I looks better. Alright, I have this my knife here. Let's go to open it. Look completely sealed. You see, have this here, the paper. Push a little. Alright guys, here is coming. See the box. It's completely empty. A very nice package. I will put it here as a background. And let's go to open this seal over here. Second. I don't want to break the paper, but I can break it. Alright, I think I got it. Yes. And here is the new 2020 from the Matchbox collector website. I was trying to save this paper, but don't care about it. Here we have this beautiful piece. Check it out. Looks so cool. I love the package here, the case. This is a plastic case, very nice. Check the wheels of this casting. Yeah, it's a real tire. Check the back, pretty nice. Let's see if I can open this case. Oh yes, I got it. Check this beautiful piece. What do you think, guys? Pretty nice. Beautiful front deco. Pretty nice detail. Oh, but I like it so much. It's so pretty. Alright, I will put it here. And I will open also one of those to compare it. Right now, in my opinion, I'm loving more the Matchbox cars than Hot Wheels because of the details, decoration. Check this piece, looks pretty nice too. And it's a regular Matchbox car, but have a lot of details, a lot of decoration. You see the tail lights, everything. That's what I like most Matchbox than Hot Wheel. Very nice car. Look at that. There is a new one in white, 2023, but I don't have it yet. But I will try to have it in my collection. I'm not buying too much right now, but check the red version. Pretty nice. With the details. See the tag here. There's a number in the tag. Let's see. Hard to see for me, but as you know, guys, I'm getting blind. Alright, check the details on the back or the front. So pretty. And let's do the blue one now. Also, guys, I want to say thank you for all my new subscribers. This is Cheren Diecast. I'm from Puerto Rico, but I'm living in Florida. And that's why my English, my pronunciation sometimes is weird, but I speak Spanish and I speak English. But it's okay. We have something in common, that is the Diecast collection. This version in blue is pretty nice too. But definitely, I love this one. Pretty cool. Let me put it together here. Hold on a second. What do you think about it? Pretty nice casting from Matchbox. Like I said in the beginning of this video, that right now I like Matchbox more than Hot Wheels because of the detail they do on the regular cars that look pretty nice. Check the new 2020 Corvette from Matchbox collector website. This is the box. Really nice. Okay guys, let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing if you are subscribed. If not, feel free to do it. Yeah, just let me know that you are a new subscriber. And thank you for helping me to build my channel. Thank you for supporting me. Alright, let me take a view of the other car that I have in the background. This is the new 2020 Corvette from Matchbox collector website. Thank you guys, have a good one.